Hey everybody, Caleb Klassen and Gabrielle Epler here with Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty, and today we're bringing you another exciting Luczak luxury listing tour.
Are you looking for the perfect Colorado mountain paradise?
Look no further. Today we're excited to show you 2540 Biel Place here in Fort Garland, Colorado. This home is located in Forbes Park. Forbes Park has nearly 5,000 acres of common land, and you're very close to tons of fishing. You're about 45 minutes away from the sand dunes. You have hunting lands with one of the largest elk herds in the state. At the back of the park, it turns into a national forest, so you can hunt just minutes away. This home sits on a great lot, being just over 3 acres. And the house itself being just over 4,500 square feet, offering 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and a 5-car attached garage with a large shop in the back, with an attached bathroom and its own septic system and enough electricity to power a city. You also have an RV hookup right next to it, with solar giving you a great price on your electric bill, and you also have so many other amenities. We're super excited to show you this custom luxury home.
Let's go inside and take a look.
As you walk into this home, you're greeted with a chef's dream. You have all stainless steel appliances. You have a gourmet stove. You have a dual dishwasher, double ovens. You have a large island with an attached bar that seats at least 3. And you have meticulously maintained hardwood flooring that's well complemented by the tons of natural light that flows into this home and awesome views. Walking into this living room, you'll see that Lindale Custom Homes spared no expense when building this home. First thing you'll notice in this living room are these soaring ceilings that work really well with the floor-to-ceiling windows, making this space feel super spacious. You have a rosy 12-inch granite tile along with those beautifully maintained hardwood floors. You also have a wood-burning fireplace with a mantle surrounded by a beautiful stone finish. Just off this living space, you have a bedroom with a classic wood finish. With easy access to this luxurious bathroom with a deep jetted soaking tub and tile surround.
As we head upstairs, we're greeted with this beautiful spacious loft that hosts great storage, a luxury bathroom, a beautiful private deck, and easy access to the primary suite. This primary suite is truly one of a kind. From its vaulted wood accent ceilings to the custom stained glass, not to mention your private owned deck right off the owner's suites. As we head down to the ground level, you're greeted with a great living space, 2 ample-sized bedrooms, and a great large bathroom to share.
As with all of our homes, this home comes with a blue ribbon 14-month home warranty, transferable to the buyer upon closing. If you or anybody you know is interested in this home, you can reach us at our numbers below.
Or you guys can always check us out at makespringshome.com.
Thanks for checking us out.